Let us start our lesson 8, Cleanliness. Now, in the picture you can see two boys over here. One boy is busy playing with mud and he is enjoying it. And in the other picture you can see a boy who is standing smartly and is wearing neat and clean dress. Now tell me, which boy is looking very smart? The one in mud or the one who is wearing neat and clean dress? Yes, of course, the one with neat and clean dress. There is a famous saying that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. If our body is fit and healthy, our mind will also be very healthy and we are not going to fall sick. Now, in the picture you can see children cleaning their surroundings. This is also very important because if you will keep your surroundings neat and clean, you will stay healthy. And similarly, personal hygiene is also very important. We should keep our body clean so that we may stay healthy. Cleanliness is very important for us because if we do not keep our body clean, we can fall ill. You must have seen there in the class also, many children are there, those who frequently get sick. Why? Because they are not taking care of their body. And that is the reason why they frequently fall sick. And those who take care of their body, they are regular to school and they are far from illness. Now let us see how can we keep our body clean. The very important thing is that we should brush our teeth early in the morning and before going to bed at night. We should brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and the other in the night before going to bed. What will happen throughout the day, whatever you have eaten, if the germs are collected in your teeth, then they are going to cause you toothache. You will have a toothache or you will have tooth decay. So to avoid all this, you should brush your teeth before going to bed at night. Next, we should always wash our hands with a soap after using the toilet. We should use a good soap to wash our hands because soap kills the germs. Yes? So we should remember that we should always use a soap after using the toilet. The next very important thing is that we should take a bath every day using a good soap. We should not make excuses that many of the children I have seen, they don't take a bath early in the morning. No, this is very wrong. We should always take a bath every day and we should use a good soap because soap kills the germs which are on your body. Throughout the day you are playing somewhere, you are going to school, you are going outside, you are touching the table. So the germs get collected in your hands and on your body and which we cannot see. So we should use proper soap when we are taking a bath. After taking a bath, we should always change our clothes and we should wear clean clothes. We should never wear dirty clothes. Now see in the picture also, there are two boys standing and one boy is wearing dirty shirt and the other one is wearing neat and clean dress. Now, which one is the correct one? Yes, the one which has a tick mark. You can see that boy is looking very smart. So you also want to look smart now? Now, it is very important to take care of our hair. Yes, now how can we take care of our hair? We should shampoo our hair at least once in a week. Now what will happen if we don't use shampoo? Our hair will become dry, and if we are not combing our hair also, then what will happen? All the lice will breed in our hair and then you will start scratching your head, and which looks very bad. So, in order to take care of your hair, you should shampoo your hair at least once in a week. And after taking a bath and after doing your shampoo, you should apply oil and you should always comb your hair. Combing is also a very good exercise for your head. Okay, so you should always comb your hair daily. You with combing your hair, you will look smart and not shabby. You can see two boys in the picture. One with a shabby look, his hair are also grown, and in the second picture and in the B picture you can see a boy with short hair. His hair is properly oiled. So which one is looking smart? A or B? Yes, the picture B is looking more smart and handsome. Everyone wants to look like him. Can you tell me what you can see in the picture? Yes, what are these fighting in our hands? Yes, these are the germs which we cannot see with our naked eye. Now see how they are dancing, they are playing and they are enjoying. Now, what will happen if we are going to eat food with it? All these germs are going to go into our stomach. And then what will happen? Yes, we are going to have stomachache. And then we have to eat all the big medicines which no one likes to eat. So, what should we do then? We should wash our hands before and after eating meal. Always remember children, you should always wash your hands before eating and after eating food. You should also rinse your mouth after eating food so that all the food which you have eaten is washed properly, is rinsed properly so that there are no germs left in your mouth. Always remember, we should wash our hands before and after eating meal. And if you don't do so, remember the picture in which I have shown you the germs. Always remember these germs are fighting and they are very eager to enter your body. Okay, so you should always remember to wash your hands after and before eating meal. Now the other very important point is that we should keep our nails short and clean. If we should always trim our nails at regular intervals. If we are not going to do so, what will happen? The germs are going to collect. All you must have noticed that your nails become dirty. Why? Because all the germs and mud and dust particles are collected over there. And when you are eating food, what is happening? All the germs which are in your nails, they are slowly entering your body. And then again, what will be the result? The result will be that you are going to fall sick. So, we should always keep our nails short and clean. Keep on trimming your nails at regular intervals. Next, we should always keep our nose clean and always use a clean handkerchief to clean our nose and to cover our mouth while coughing and sneezing. You can see in the picture also. In the picture you can see the boy and the girl, they are sneezing but they are using a hanky or they are covering their nose. Now why should you use hanky? Because when you are sneezing, the germs may not pass on to the other person. To avoid that, you should always cover your nose or mouth. The points which we have studied till now in this lesson. The very first thing is that cleanliness is very important for us. We should always keep our surrounding also clean and our body also clean. Because if we are going to stay in an unhealthy atmosphere, then also we are going to fall sick. So to avoid that, we should keep our surroundings also very clean. We should not do this, that we are taking out dust from our house and then throwing it in front of our house. No, it is of no use, because the germs will come back to your house only. We should clean our house and we should throw every garbage in the proper dustbin, and the dustbin should also be covered. Similarly, we should also keep our body parts clean to stay fit and healthy. If we do not keep our body clean, then what will happen? We have to eat medicines and we can fall ill. And I don't think so anyone of us is ready to eat medicines. Yes, so we should take care of our body, because no one else is going to take care of it. It's your body and you should take care of it. Okay, children? So it's my humble request, please take care of your body and keep yourself and your surroundings neat and clean.